Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide notification numbers on status bar. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Display and Brightness. Scroll down, here you can see Status Bar. Click on this. Now go to Notification Method. If you want to hide your notification number on Status Bar, you just have to press on this None option. That's it. So this is how to hide notification numbers on Status Bar. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.